Have you ever thought who was made our first Indian map? It was Google? No. It was Indian? No. So who was made our first Indian map? Let's go back and find out. A long time ago, during British rules, Britishers wanted to control our whole India. So they needed a proper map of India. In 1802, the Britishers decided to make the Indian map. So one of them, the officer, his name is William Tone, he started a big project to making the Indian map. And he used long chain, big tools and his mind. No mobile phone, no drones and no computer, only his mind. After the tones, the one more officer came. His name is George Everest. He worked very hard and completed the Indian map. It took more than 70 years to complete the Indian map. And just imagine the work from so long and so hard. So now everyone see the map. It was made by Britishers. His name is George Everest and William Stones. And the map made by Britishers, it's useful of whole India too.